Hi everyone! Today we're going to be making jack-o'-lantern stuffed peppers. And this is going to be the start of my Halloween themed meals. Every week in October I'll be posting a Halloween themed dish. So please be sure and check it out, and if you're not subscribed, please do so. And hit the bell so you'll get notices of when these post. So what do we need for our jack-o'-lantern stuffed peppers? 4 orange bell peppers, olive oil, salt, pepper, 1 onion finely chopped, 2 garlic cloves minced. I'm going to go ahead and use the already minced garlic, 2 teaspoons chili powder, 1 cup cooked rice, 1 cup chicken stock divided, 1 15-ounce can fire roasted tomatoes. I have a 14.5-ounce can that's going to have to work. 1 cup shredded Monterey Jack cheese divided. So let's begin. The first thing you want to do is go ahead and take your 4 orange bell peppers and cut the top off. You want to save the top, but you want to go ahead and cut the core off and get rid of all of the seeds. And then you want to take a sharp paring knife and cut a face of a jack-o'-lantern in it. Go ahead and put it in a deep baking dish, and I'll go ahead and carve the rest of the peppers. All right, so here they are all cut up, and we need to drizzle olive oil. I just have a little pump bottle, and I'll go ahead and just drizzle the inside of each pepper. And generously season them salt and pepper to taste. You want to add 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a large skillet, and dump your 1 onion finely chopped and saute them until they're soft, about 5 minutes. After you get the onions started to saute, go ahead and preheat your oven to 350. Go ahead and add your 1 teaspoon or 2 cloves of garlic in the pan and saute that until it's fragrant, about 30 seconds. Add your 1 pound of hamburger and break it up and cook until it is brown and no longer pink. Okay, so the hamburger is browned. I've used the 93% lean hamburger, so there's not much grease. But if you have grease in your pan, go ahead, shut off the burner and drain the grease. After you drain it, Go ahead, turn your burner back on to medium-high and add your 2 teaspoons of chili powder. And stir it in. Add your 15-ounce, or in my case 14.5-ounce can of fire roasted diced tomatoes. One half cup of chicken stock. One cup cooked rice. And 3/4 cup cheese. Salt and pepper to taste. I almost forgot that part. And then stir it until everything's well combined. And then you want to go ahead and take your jack-o'-lantern and fill it up with the meat mixture. And go ahead and top it with more Monterey Jack cheese. And then go ahead and pour the rest of the chicken stock the bottom of the pan. So I'll go ahead and take some foil and cover it up. And stick it in a 350-degree oven for 30 minutes. So you want to go ahead and take the foil off and put it back into the oven for another 10 to 15 minutes until the peppers are tender and the cheese is melted. So here are the jack-o'-lantern stuffed peppers, our first of the Halloween themed dishes. I'll go ahead and get my husband to give it a taste test. So here is the jack-o'-lantern stuffed bell peppers, and rounding out the meal is bloody pumpkins or pasta and tomato sauce.
I like it.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.